Hey all, Pat here from Pat's Rides. I don't know if he's still there, but there was a little squirrel staring at me in my tree. I just got home from my first 200-mile ride of the day. Started out with an oil change and going over 90,000 miles on the bike today. I made a short video, so stay tuned, stick around. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.
Okay, here I am on the way to Columbus, Ohio. Maybe you can see that. I got 89, 875 on the odometer. Barring anybody killing me today or any kind of mishap I can't foresee, I should hit over the 90,000 mile mark today. 90% of my way to the goal of 100,000 miles on the old 2012 Victory Cross Country Tour. 1 mile to go and 90,000 miles. $90,000, there she is. 90% of my goal complete. Oh, here you go, some bonus content. If there's one thing you can count on in Marion, Ohio, that's seeing a train. And here comes the end. Yeah, this could only happen to me. Oh, shoot. Well, so much for starting the bike up. And that's why you never assume that double tracks. Might as well get comfy again. Oh, shoot. Well, I wanted to train. I guess you gotta watch what you ask for sometimes. Oh, this is a relatively short one. Unless something's coming from my right again. Well, nothing I can see. Okay, let's carry on. Maybe. There we go. One more double take for trains. And we're off. Good old downtown Bucyrus. Haven't been through here in a long time. Too bad we don't put character into our buildings anymore. Courthouse. Is that not beautiful or what? What an awesome mural. Oh boy, orange bottle season already in Ohio. Good old Shawshank, Mansfield Reformatory. If you remember the movie. I think Tango and Cash was filmed there also. Must have something going on today. But behind it in them pretty blue buildings, that's the real prison where all the bad boys go. Looks like they're out at recess. There's a man still blowing airport out in the distance if you can see it. Alright, I think that's going to do it for this video. As always, please hit the like and subscribe button. It would help my channel grow. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.